Hi, and welcome to Breathwork to encourage restful and deep sleep. And we'll do this breathwork by doing a body scan, getting into some gentle breathing techniques, and creating a space where our body has the ability to find and soften into that deep relaxation. So before we begin, I invite you to make sure your space is very serene, as peaceful as you can make it. So shutting closet doors if you're in your bedroom, cleaning up any clutter that's around, and allowing your space to feel peaceful, calm, and open. And secondly, if you have the opportunity, I would do what I call a brain dump, where you write down all of your thoughts, anything that is circling around your mind, any to-do lists, emails that you need to send, people you need to call or speak with. Get that down on paper to allow your brain to completely release it, set it aside. It knows that it's written down somewhere and it can handle it the next day. Maybe you light a candle for this practice. Maybe you just move in silence. Maybe you have some gentle, soft, relaxing music on in the background. And when you're ready, I invite you to find your comfortable place. Maybe that's seated on a block or on a pillow. Maybe you're laying down on your mat, on the floor, or in your bed. And settling into that space wherever you are. And take a deep inhale together. Out through the mouth, exhale. Again, deep, full breath in through the nose. Out through the mouth, exhale. And then start to breathe in and out through the nose. And the soft, calming exhale. And let's count to 3 on our inhale. And 4 on our exhale. 3 on our inhale. Pausing for 3, 2, 1. Exhaling for 3, 2, 1. Pausing on your exhale, 2, 1. Inhaling for 3, 2, 1. Pausing, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling, 3, 2, 1. Pausing for 3, 2, 1. Inhaling for 3, 2, 1. Pausing, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling, 3, 2, 1. Pausing, 3, 2, 1. Big breath in. Big sigh, exhale. Again, deep, full breath in through the nose. Softening the shoulders as you exhale. And coming back to breathing in and out through the nose. And feeling the crown of the head, observing any sensations that you may feel right at the top of your head. And maybe it's nothing. But send your mind's eye to that space. And moving down, relaxing the muscles in the forehead. And relaxing your eyes, your eyelids. And relaxing your cheeks and your jaw. And Releasing the tongue from the roof of the mouth, separating the teeth, maybe parting the lips. Allow your cheeks to be heavy. And for the openness and spaciousness on the front of your chest as you soften the shoulders down. And observe that space at your heart center. And observe the space in your back body right behind the heart center. And as you inhale, see if you can expand across the back body, filling up that space. Softening as you exhale. Again, inhale, expanding across the back body, right behind the heart. Exhaling softly. As you inhale, feel your ribs expand laterally to the side. Fill it up. And as you exhale, allow those ribs to gently move in towards each other. Inhale, the ribs expand. Exhale, softening in. Inhale, feeling the belly rise gently. And as you exhale, softening the belly down. And as you inhale and the belly rises, you feel that back body, that lumbar spine, low back expand as well. And exhale, feeling the belly and back body move towards each other. And inhale, feeling the hip points get wider. And exhale, melting your hips towards the floor, towards the space beneath you. And feeling the thighs, fronts of the thighs, backs of the thighs. Allowing the knees to soften, the calves and lower legs to get heavy. And relaxing the ankles and feet. And softening all the way to the tips of your toes. And take an inhale. Feel your body open and expand on your front body. And as you exhale, soften and melt your back body. And visualizing that your body is like a puddle of water. And whatever space you're on, your body melts further and further away from the center, melting off the space around you, filling up the room. And checking in, notice if there's any areas that are still holding on to any tension. Sending your mind's eye with breath to those spots. With a big breath in. And softening as you exhale. And 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Big breath in. Out through the mouth, exhale. In through the nose. Out through the mouth, sigh it out. Last one. Inhale through the nose. Out through the mouth, sigh it out. Allowing your body to be still, soft, relaxed. And may your sleep be deep, restful, and peaceful. And thank you for taking the time to breathe with me.